G'day travellers and welcome to Wewentthataway Adventures, where the spirit of adventure knows no age limit. We're Rob and Janine, an Aussie couple on a mission to redefine the empty nest phase. We're not just exploring Australia, we're breaking free from the ordinary, proving that you can work full time and still live life to the fullest. Our 4x4 isn't just a vehicle, it's a ticket to the unknown, a passport to the hidden gems of this beautiful land. From the red dirt of the outback to the pristine beaches of the coast, join us as we uncover the wonders that make Australia truly unique. But it's not just about us. We want to empower you, our fellow empty nesters, to embrace the thrill of adventure. And through Wewentthataway Adventures, we're building a community of like-minded individuals who believe that the greatest adventures are the ones that we create for ourselves. Whether you're a seasoned traveller or a complete newbie to off-road exploration, this is your invitation to join us on the ride. So buckle up, fellow adventurers, and let's discover Australia together, one 4x4 adventure at a time.